Welcome to Toro NSN's Training in 10, an innovative, self-paced training module that allows you to get trained and get going. Today's topic is the File Manager. While this presentation is focused on Lynx 6.0 versions and higher, the principles apply to most versions of Lynx. Covered in this Training in 10 module are the buttons for launching Lynx, license activation and product upgrade, the setup notifications, saving current databases, opening saved databases, opening empty database, the pump configuration, the reinstall of the screensaver, what is new, and the About button. This is the Lynx icon on your desktop. You will start the process by double-clicking this icon. The buttons on the Lynx File Manager only require a single click to open. We're going to start with the first button on the top left, the Lynx Launcher. This will launch Lynx with the last database that was opened within Lynx. The next button is for the license activation and product upgrade. Lynx has 3 levels: SE, the Standard Edition, PE, the Professional Edition, and CE, the Champion Edition. CE gives the user the most functional operation of Lynx. If you are utilizing SE or PE and wish to upgrade, contact your distributor and they will get you the unlock code. You will input the unlock code in these boxes when you contact either your distributor or talk to NSN. The third button on the left side of the screen is the Setup Notification. This will allow Lynx to notify the user concerning alarms set up within your Lynx system. The first step in setting up the notifications is to set up who and how each user is going to be notified by Lynx. Click on the Manage Users to start this process. By clicking on this box, you can add a user's name and the email address for notifications. Some areas have the ability to set up an email to SMS or text message conversions. Contact NSN concerning this process. Here we have added the user's name, and in this box you will place the user's email address. Once you have added the user's name and email address, either click Enter or click right below the name to add another line. This gives you the opportunity to add multiple users to your notification process. This shows how it would look with multiple users set up in the system. We can now schedule when we want the notifications to occur. The first thing is to give the schedule a name, followed by what day this schedule is for. At this point, you can then set the start time for the notification as well as the end time of the notification for this schedule. The final step is to make sure you have placed the check in the Enable box. You then expand the schedule to add users to be notified for that schedule. Multiple users can be utilized for each schedule. Users can be selected to the schedule in groups, or each user can have their own independent schedule. The red bars denote that there are no active users for those dates and times, while the green bars denote an active user or users for that time frame. If you hover a mouse over the green bar, a balloon will denote who the user or users are currently active at that time frame. The top center button is utilized to save your current database. When you click on this icon, it opens the file save. This should be completed on a regular basis. Please do not go longer than 1 month between saves. Suggestion is to name your database with your facility's name and the current date. A suggestion also on the date format should be year, month, and day with no backslashes. Once you have that in, then click Save to save the database. The center button on this screen is the Open Save Database. This should be completed if you need to load an older or different database. This takes us to the Lynx backup folder. Select the database that you wish to load by clicking on it, then click on the Open button to open this database. The last button in the center is Open an Empty Database. This will take the user through the Quick Start process. This should only be completed if you wish to rebuild your entire database. When utilizing Open a Saved or Open Empty Database, a prompt opens to alert you that the active database will be overwritten and you should save the current database before continuing. The top right button under Configuration is the Pump Configuration button. Lynx has the capability to communicate to Watertronics versions 5 and 6, Flowtronics Pace or Pump Log, Grundfos, or the MCI pump stations. You will need to make sure that your communication from your pump station to the computer before setting this up. Select your pump station type. Once you have completed that, then click Done. There are a few other items within the operations of Lynx you will need to set up after you relaunch Lynx. The second button on the right is Install Screensaver. This is a great tool so that you can tell whether your system is on rain hold or not simply by glancing at the screensaver on your computer monitor. A prompt will then appear to show that you have successfully installed the screensaver. The next button on the right is What's New. With each version of Lynx, there is a What's New document. This shows what items have been enhanced and added for this version of Lynx. It is always recommended to take a few minutes to review the new enhancements for your Lynx operating system. The last button is on the bottom left. This is the About button. The About button will show you what version of Lynx and the Lynx file manager and launcher you currently have on your irrigation computer. Again, make sure you save your database on a regular basis or before you make any major changes to your Lynx software. Well, another 10 minutes has gone by and you have just completed another episode of NSN's Training in 10. Hopefully this will enhance your working career with the #1 irrigation central control product available, the Toro Lynx control system. Today's topic has been the Lynx File Manager. Be sure to keep looking for future installments of NSN's Training in 10, the self-paced training module that allows you to get trained and get going. If you have any questions about this or about future training module releases, or if you would like to participate in one of our acclaimed Toro Lynx regional training classes, please contact us by calling 888-676-8676 option 2. Once again, that's 888-676-8676 option 2. A service also provided by Toro NSN Training is NSN Focus Training, personalized irrigation software training with 2 options. Online, 1 to 2 hour blocks, topic specific, all done on the web, or in person, half or full day blocks addressing multiple topics at your facility. For more information, again call 888-676-8676 option 2. Toro and Toro's National Support Network. Count on it.